Hi guys. Okay, we're still doing lesson 7.5, which is dividing by fours. Now we're going to do the share and show part. Oh, you can hear Joey. He just woke up from his nap. Okay. Oh boy, this is one of his favorite words. Uh-oh. Okay, I'm going to read the directions to you first. Okay, it says, number one, use the array to find 28 divided by 4. So remember, think about what the 28 means and think about what the 4 means in this picture, and then you're going to find the clue that's missing. These ones across the middle say find the quotient. So whichever strategy you like, maybe you want to draw circle groups, maybe you want to do an array, maybe you want to use a related multiplication fact that you know, or maybe you want to use this new trick of using the factors of the the divisor to do a two-step division problem with easier numbers. So try any strategy you like for those. Now, this bottom row is having us do something a little bit new. It says find the unknown number. So when they say unknown number, they are asking you to figure out what is that hidden mystery number that's really hiding under the letter they put in. Okay, they put in a letter into each of these equations. Actually, this one they put in a shape like a symbol. So you have to figure out what's hiding underneath there that is the actual number that matches. Okay, okay, so pause the video now, you try them, and then come back and see how you did. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do the share and show now. The first one says use the array to find 28 divided by 4. 28 is the total, so I know there's 28 total red squares. 4 in this picture is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the rows. 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, 4 rows. So they already counted the rows. So now I need to count going across the top how many is in each. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 28 divided by 4 is 7. If you got that, good job. Okay, now the next one's down here. 21 divided by 3. Let's see. Some of the strategies we use, maybe for this one I could draw circle groups. So 3 groups. And I want to pass them out one at a time. Oh boy, let's make it a little tiny. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, we're not going to be able to see it on mine, but hopefully you drew bigger groups and we'll come up with the same answer, even if it's hard to see on mine. Okay, so I got to 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And if I counted inside each one, I would get 7. So if you got 7, good job. Okay, 8 divided by 4. For this one, I'm going to try that new trick right here. I'm going to use the factors. So 4 is really like a 2 times a 2. So I'm first going to divide 8 divided by 2. Let me write it on the side so we can see it better. It's not so squished. 8 divided by 2. That means split it in half. Half of 8 is 4, like a 4 and a 4, right? So now I'm going to do the other factor. 4 divided by the other 2. 4 split in half is 2. So if you got a 2 here, very good job. Okay, 40 divided by 5. Whenever it's 5s, I like to just skip count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So there's 8 groups of that. And 24 divided by 4. I could draw these circle groups again, but I really like this where I'm going to divide it by the 2 and the 2 because 4 is really like a 2 and a 2 multiplied. So I'm going to do that one over here. 24 divided by 2. If you split 24 in half, I think of 10 plus 10 is 20, 11 plus 11 is 22, 12 plus 12 is 24. And now I only divided by 1 2, but I'm supposed to remember to divide by 4. So I have to have 2 2's. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. So if you got 6 for that one, very good job. Okay, so now since I've shown those strategies, the array, the equal groups, the counting by 5, and then using the factors for this row, I'm just going to show the answers. 20 divided by 4 equals A. So what would go underneath the A here? What is the same thing as A? 5. 12 divided by 2, if you take 12, you cut it in half. Oh, look, we already did it right here. 12 divided by 2 equals P, so the P would actually be a 6. 27 divided by 3. This time I'm gonna count forward by threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and 27. Stop. That's 9. So underneath the triangle would really be a 9. So when I ask what the triangle is, I would put 9. 12 divided by 4, 3. Good job if you had those. You're really getting great at all the different strategies, or maybe you have perfected one strategy really well. So now why don't you move on to the on your own?